Welcome, welcome. So today we will continue with Salesforce admin preparation for the module configuration and setup. These are the exams guides or exam questions from Focus on Force. And in the last video, we did up to question number 5. So today we will resume with number 6. A Salesforce user of Cosmic Service Solution has complained to Salesforce Administrator of the company that she can no longer view some of the tabs that she used to have it in the navigation bar. If the user uses Lightning experience only, which of the following could cause this issue? So basically what user is complaining is that, on the navigation bar, they see the tabs. Some of the tabs, they cannot see it anymore. So they're not able to see those tabs in the Lightning experience only. So what could have gone wrong? Well, the user has customized the navigation bar of the app. Administrator has removed access to the tab at the user level. The user has used the app launcher to switch to different app, and the auto hide feature is turned on for rarely used tab. Well, I believe that, the Salesforce Lightning comes with the customized navigation bar. So user might have gone through this one, might have customized it and hence is not able to see the tab, or the administrator might have removed the access to the tab at the user level. Can that be possible? Also, the another one is the user has used the app launcher to switch to different app. Well, that's possible, right? That whenever we create an app, we give an tab accessibility to the app and user has switched to a different app. Let's go ahead and check our answer. Well, okay. So user has an ability on the Lightning to have a customization of the navigation item, which is like go to the home page and, and if it is a Lightning experience, then, there is a menu button present here, as well as user have switched to the different apps. So if we switch to the different apps, which is like, marketing to services, like, there are the different tabs available. So that could be any of this. So moving to the question number 7, which of the following are found in a company information page? On a company information page, what is found on the company information page, which is available here? Let's do this time the other way. Like, let's go ahead and check what is available on the company information page. Company information page is present on the company setting, company information. And on company information page, we can found is storage usage. So that is storage usage, user licenses, permission set licenses, feature licenses, user base entitlements, like, and also, like, it has fiscal year start date, and these are the additional things, like it has default locale, default language, default time zone, everything default. Used data space, used file space, these two are storage, and it has API requests made from this machine. Well, I have newly spun org, so no more, I haven't done anything on it. So we can say that, on a company information page, we can have storage usage, default locale, language, and time zone. So default locale and licenses available. Voila. So it has default locales, storage, and then license available. And as we go here, it has permission set licenses, like, and also the feature licenses available. Moving to the number 8, Salesforce Administrator is tasked with creating new home page in Lightning experience. What should be considered when creating a home page? They have to create a home page in the Lightning experience. The home page can be customized for each profile. The home page can only be assigned through the permission set. Each app can have different home page, and homepage can be customized for each role. So basically what it is trying to do is, when we go to the edit page, we have the save action. So when we do the save, this is in Lightning App Builder. Upon activating, what are the assignments available? It is org default, app default, and any app and profile default. So what does that mean is that, you know, the home page is display, like org default will, app default will have precedence over org default, and app and profile default will have precedence over app default. If this is set, then this is suppressed. If this is set, then this is suppressed. Or so here, like, you know, what would they be considering? So home page. So when activating, home page can be customized for each profile. Yeah, because it's app and profile, and each app can have different home page assigned, right? Because, you know, when I do this, I can select number of the apps I have and assign it accordingly. So when we do a check, yay, so it's org, app, and app default, and, you know, these are the app selections that, hey, show my app, show my home page to this app, or show my app to this many profiles. So it's an org default, app record types, and profile default. Moving ahead, for number 9, user have complained that account screen is taking long time to load. What could the administrator do to address this? So it is taking a long time to load, and then, you know, we have a separate setting which is related list loading separately. This will you know, increase the performance. So this is also available into the user interface. There is an enable separate loading of related list and enable separate loading of related list of an external object. So we can check mark one or either of them. Moving ahead to number 10, Universal Container would like to improve the usability of their current lookup fields. When looking up a contact record, they would like to view the account, phone, and email fields as well as the name. Universal Containers is a company name, would also like to globally search for contacts by account name. Which feature would you suggest to help them? So basically what they are trying to do is they want to see on the contact record. So they want to see on the contact record. Let me go. On the contacts, let's open the record. So when they open the contact record or on the contact record, they want to see the information about the account name, account phone number, email, something like this, right? Account name, phone number, and email. Well, this is all coming from. So how can this be done or achieved? Well, this could be either, it could be by search layout, because they also want a feature where they could do a global search, so search layout, or page list. I'm confused. Which one would this be? Well, okay, so it is search layout. So it is like when search layout or order of the group of the fields that are displayed when a record is presented in a particular context, such as search result, a lookup dialog, or the related list. Search results are the group of the fields that are displayed when the record is presented in a particular context, such as search result when we are searching, when we are looking up to, and or in a related list. By adding a field, we can give user more information and help them locate records more quickly. The secondary field within the search result layout appears just beneath the record name in instance result and recent time items. For contacts, since the account name is a secondary field, the contacts are searchable by account name. So they are searchable by the account name. So we went into the contact search layout and added those name, phone number, and email fields. And now when we search, they are coming, they can float based on the account name, email, or phone number. Well, that's about it for part 2 of configuration and setup. We'll check on part number 3 video, and we will resume for the future questions.